Hello, viewer. It's time to remove this section of flooring here, and that joist, and the three that are over there. So we'll then just have the staircase going up to the beam and some floorboards over there with a few joists. So that will then be much, much clearer, and I'll be able to start chiseling around the sockets of the beams that go into the wall, or the beam that goes into the wall, so I can see what the stones are like to support a new beam as and when we get the new beam. I must go and order the new beam. Anyway, on to this. These look like they've been nailed in place. That back corner there, which was in that back corner there, was directly underneath a leak, so that is sodden and very heavy. So I'll cut this up into 3 pieces as usual, but maybe I won't carry all 3 at once. I think it'll be too heavy. I'm just going to unlock the door into the barn and take those 2 joists in there. I'll probably put these in there as well when I take out all of the other floor joists. These are all of these joists that I've taken down so far are all oak. Very heavy, very hard, quite long lasting. I'll go and unlock. just resting on there. Perfect. Okay. So how is this joist held in place? With a whacking great big bolt into the top of the stairs. Okay. Let's get a socket wrench. Oh. I'm going to put this piece of chipboard here that was just resting in position. I'm going to put it at an angle just to remind me, tread carefully. I think that's probably going to do it for the moment. I'll move all of the other joists into the barn for safekeeping. Actually, no. I'll put them on the floor and take all the nails out first, because I'm going to reuse them. I'm not just going to burn them. I'll do that first. You don't have to watch. And then I'll move them in next door. On the side of the staircase here were a load of slats that just went up to the joist and came down. A little bit of a barrier, I suppose, to stop people just falling off the side. Now, because this is oak or chestnut, hard wood, the nails just stayed in it. When I tried to take the nails out, it either broke the head off or just, as you can see here, it just broke the head straight off. So I've got to angle grind those flat so that I don't tear my flesh every time I bump into it. I'll just go ahead and do that.